Hello, my name is Regina Aletta. I was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis in 1997. Prior to that, I was experiencing severe pain, swelling, and nodules in my eye, legs, feet, and hands. The pain affected my whole body. I could not sleep at night because of this pain, and when I would lie down, it was very hard for me to move my hands and arms. I could not stand for the covers to touch any part of my body. It hurt me so bad. In the mornings was another story. When I would get up, it took me about 15 minutes before I could move around and use my hands. The pain was just so bad for me. Prior to finding out what was causing the pain and swelling, I had 2 different surgeries on my hands, removing 5 nodules, and about a year later, I had foot surgery removing 2 huge nodules on the bottom of my 2 big toes. So from then, I knew I had to get this under control. The first thing I did was accepted my situation, and this was not going to go away without me seeking medical help. So I started going to doctors. Due to stomach problems and the medicine not working, the doctors were changing my medication about every other month. At one time, I was even taking 800 milligram Motrins 3 times a day, and this was not helping my pain at all. So in 1998, I was introduced to Ambertose. When I started taking Ambertose, I was still taking the medications the doctor had prescribed for me. And after about 3 months, I noticed there was a big difference in the way that I was feeling about myself and kind of getting back to my old self again. I was no longer in pain, nor did I have any swelling. I was feeling like I was about in my 20s. I was just absolutely feeling great. So I decided to stop taking my prescription drugs since it wasn't working anyway, and kept taking Ambertose. And at the time, I was feeling so good that I even decided to stop taking Ambertose, probably maybe after about 6 months into it, because I just felt good. I felt like I didn't need anything else again. I thought, well, maybe this has just gone away and I'm just going to be the perfect person and not have to take anything for this. But it only took me just a few days before all the symptoms came back, and I knew that Ambertose was working for me. Ambertose does work. I know that. I am a proven fact of that. It is a big part of my life. I call Ambertose my miracle cure. This is my story, and I want to thank you very much for listening to it.